There's a song in that.
Last night, his place, I came over around 8, wanted to give him a surprise. It was very easy to see by that look on his face, wasn't expecting me. There I stood, fire in my eye. I grabbed the Stetson, it was his best hand. Went on the floor, pulled my foot through her hair, hit back and pleaded, right out here. I grabbed the Stetson, after playing games. You know that old dog, he tried to lie. He tried to say that I seen what I seen. I said, hey man, ain't that another pair of feet under them there sheets? He still tried to lie. I said, don't you try to lie, honey, you ain't got nowhere to hide. That's it, you ain't that quick. I grabbed the Stetson, it was his last time. Went on the floor, put my foot through her hair.